Maintaining precise environmental conditions is critical for institutions preserving collections. Recently, a major research library needed a way to monitor environmental conditions across their facilities in real time. The challenge was to transform environmental data into actionable insights while maintaining strict security for sensitive areas. IMAGINiT's facility management experts developed a solution that integrated the library's existing environmental monitoring system with Archibus floor plans, creating a visual monitoring system that displays real-time temperature, humidity, and airflow readings directly on floor plans and triggers instant alerts when conditions fall outside acceptable ranges. The team also developed a custom key management system that tracks both physical keys and card access and manages security permissions by room and person while creating a clear audit trail. IMAGINiT's solution has been transformative. All stakeholders now work on a single integrated platform. The facility management team can instantly identify and respond to environmental issues, while the security team has full visibility of access credentials. Discover how IMAGINiT can help you transform your facilities management strategy.